Before helicopter operation, need to check around the area, staircase which going to use, so no any obstruction, no slippery, no any trips, hazards. Now you reach the fifth level. Fifth level is down the helideck. So this area also need to check, no any loose item, no flying object, and also check the top side, no any drop object. Radar scanner and crane must be stopped, no any activities, no fuel bunkering, no any boat around the helideck area, should be all clear, no damage flag, and also you can check windshock should be proper condition. When chopper landing, that time have heavy wind. If flag or windshock damage, it chance to flying. So before need to check. Check also wheel trolley should be in the position, and whatever requirement for firefighting, fire extinguisher should be on proper place, ready to use. Foam applicator and diff valve keep ready. Just check once again this whole area. Now going on the helideck. This stair going on the helideck area. Check the parameter light, floodlight around the helideck area. Check also the net side, no any flying object, no any debris. All around the net area need to complete check. Helideck landing area, no any wet paint or oily surface. Check emergency exit area, should be clear, no any obstruction. Once completed the checking, HLO will inform to radio operator for clearance, and radio operator will inform to helicopter pilot once he will call for clearance. Just waiting for 2 minutes for landing. It will call by helicopter pilot. Once you hear for landing 2 minutes, all helideck team must be on their position and passenger waiting in the waiting area. After helicopter land, once pilot give permission, then start chopper operation. So wait for pilot permission. Once HLO he will see the chopper, he will inform to radio room about chopper going to land. Now waiting for clearance. Need to check no any passenger will go tail rotator area and also other side from the forward. If going passenger keep their luggage inside, or coming passenger just take out their luggage. Just guide them, the passenger, and how to sit on the chair, how to wear the belt, how to wear the life jacket. Once completed everything, all people go down, everything clear, HLO will give signal to take off.